Guys, you're welcome to my channel. Today we're talking about Iconomi. What is Iconomi all about? Now, last year we saw the rise from January 2017 up to January of something like February or December. Bitconnect actually crashed. So we saw the era of Bitconnect and many of the other cryptos that we are following the path of Bitconnect, that we are promising people unsustainable returns. Even if you look at crypto, most times, even people prefer to leave their coins on an exchange. It's just what is natural with humans. Humans want someone to take security for them and all that. So what is Iconomi doing? Iconomi is simply a platform that is registered and is incorporated. Not only that, it's being updated from time to time. That helps individuals with trading, stress-free trading. So the goal of Iconomi is to help the average investor invest their money wisely. So it's like the index fund of the crypto space. It allows users to create, manage, and then invest in digital asset array. That is one of the things about Iconomi. Now, all users need to do is simply create an account with Iconomi. You simply get an account with Iconomi. You select the combination of assets you want, and then you invest your money. Then Iconomi takes hold of the story of your crypto or whatever, and then you are really, really secure. That is for you as a user. And then the reasons why Iconomi is unique. This has a team. That is one of the things. It has a team, like Bitconnect, that you don't know their team. Number two is that accountability. There are regular updates. Like the report here, I'll put a link on that. It's the report where they were actually audited. And then they are one of the first blockchain company to be audited. And then individuals and institutions can actually apply to become a digital asset array manager. And the famous YouTuber, Crush Crypto, is actually using this platform as a business. She's a digital asset array manager, and many of us know Crush Crypto. As you see, as I wrote here, I believe platforms like Iconomi will disrupt crypto investing. You can also check my article on why Iconic Lab is the next VC and ICU incubator for the blockchain space. So in case you don't know who Crush Crypto is, she's a famous YouTuber, and these are some of the assets that she's currently holding. Look, as you can see her track records: Misigo, Icon, Zero Sentiment, Syndicator, Poet. She's one of the famous YouTubers with her insights into cryptocurrency and cryptocurrency investment is unequivocal. You can't really match it. She's very knowledgeable. Very, very knowledgeable. So guys, that about Iconomi. Always invest on your own. But if you will not invest on your own, make sure that the platforms you're investing with are subject to regulations and are keeping to the rules. So guys, do have a very good day.